Hey everybody, in this video I will unbox this Huawei AX3 Pro router, the quad-core version. So a little backstory to this. My neighbor needed a new router because he was switching to 1 gigabit Ethernet, or Ethernet I should say, and he didn't know which one to get, so I looked around a bit, and he was already getting a new AX PCIe wireless card, so I recommended him this router because of its price. Now we see I'm trying to unbox it, but yeah, it's a pretty good router, but it's not really great in a long distance on the 5 GHz band. I'm not really using the 6 GHz or I'm sorry, not the 6 GHz, the AX, the Wi-Fi 6 standard, because on the testing I've used my iPhone XR, which doesn't have the AX standard. So take it with a grain of salt. But yeah, on a very close distance the wireless performance was amazing. It was the greatest I've ever seen on my phone. So I think the AX performance with the AX compatible device should be amazing. But I've done a test with a Synology AC 1900 and a Asus AC66U. So more expensive routers than this Huawei, but they were older, so yeah. We can see I'm taking the protective film from it. It's actually a really nice looking router compared to the basic routers which I've ever had. It looks very stylish and modern. Looks amazing in the white, but the thing with white plastics, they are prone to discoloration from the sun, so I'm not sure how it's gonna look after a few years. But anyway, it looks great now. I haven't tested this router as a router. I've just configured it as a access point, and the config is extremely easy and user friendly. I was actually quite impressed by that. So let's look at the results here on the comparison. So 635 and 514, that was the first test, really close to the router, approximately 10 centimeters. Exactly the same with the Asus right above, and right above that is the Synology in very close distance. Then the 72.1 and 67.7, that was a long distance test, and in the same distance I've tried the Asus and the Synology right above that respectively. So as you can see, not really the greatest in the performance for longer distances, but it's a budget router. I mean, it's one of the cheapest ones you can get for the AX standard. You actually can get a basic version of the same router with the same speed, but with a dual core processor and a 128 megabytes of RAM. This one has 256, but the performance should be the same. So if you are looking for a budget access point or router, I can highly recommend this one. When you are using a AX phone or a laptop, you should get amazing performance in a close distance and quite a respectable score on a longer distances. But if you want best performance, I would look elsewhere. But elsewhere, the price will be at least 2 times the price of this one. So yeah, it really depends on what you are looking for, but yeah, that's it for this video. And yeah, I don't have this router anymore because it's my neighbor's. I have just had it for a test, but if there will be any problems, I will let you know down in the comments below. And yeah, that's it. Bye.